yesterday, Mama doesn't know that we're going to Kumon. So, here we are right now.
Where are you
We're
going?
here.
It's with you.
So, that's where we're going.
Andy, we're gonna be dead meat. If Mama knows this, it's okay because you have nothing to do, right? Where are we going?
SM.
What are we gonna do to SM?
We're gonna buy water bottle.
What have you done to your water bottle? I later, you tell them, you will show it to them. Your water bottle. You burned it.
Yeah, I burned it.
So tell them to don't do it.
Yeah, don't do it. Don't put many hot water first. So put warm water first. If you don't listen, then it will turn a big creation. Your dad will be real angry, just like yesterday.
So later you will show it. Where else are we gonna go? We're going on an adventure.
We're going on an adventure, buying Papa's egg,
What else?
and then we're gonna go to the store, my tita's store, Tita Lovely that you don't even know, and then we're gonna go to Kumon, and then we're gonna go to SM.
Where?
I don't know, but that's
I think let's just ask. Andy, I found your tumbler. Hero.
what
Here's your tumbler. Ayun.
is no one.
That one. I think that's we only have limited budget. Oh, which one? How about you look and I will look also. Okay.
This not good.
Hey, don't you like this? These are good.
Doesn't fit for me.
Hmm?
Doesn't fit for me.
Jesus. Hirapan nata tayo dito, guys. Where?
I don't know.
There.
Where's the one that I liked last time? Where's the one that I liked last time?
Just a simple one.
This has a straw.
Point. Oh, hey, don't put your inside. That one? That one?
Then I choose this one.
That one? How much? How much is that? Let's see if we have enough money. No price.
I don't know where's the
Here,
price.
the middle. Magkano daw po yan?
No.
It's 1 million. Are you gonna put the noodles there?
No. But what? I'm not gonna buy.
You pay it there. Hey, Mandy.
Buy this water bottle. This is so ugly.
Not for you. Come on.
Can I something?
How's our adventure so far? Good. Okay, now we are so nagkasya pa. How much? 50% off. We still have money for your food, Mandy. I will just smell your food and then I will be full. That's gay.
Okay.
Where are we going now?
Secret. Starts with letter M.
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 McDonald's. Okay, so it's not gonna be an adventure if we don't run. How was your new tumbler, Mandy?
Good. It's only
20?
27.
Oh, okay. Later, let's show it to Mama, ha? I will try to get your old one, the one that distorted. Mama, get mo daw si Mandy water. How's your sleep, Mandy? Ay, mama, pakita mo, lagay mo nga ng water yung ano.
Wow! Saan yung nabili ito?
Mama, wait, look.
Wow! Saan mo nabili ito? Nag-SM kayo?
Oo, kanina.
Wow!
We went on adventure, Mandy, right?
Grabe! Nalamangan ako
Mandy, show your water bottle there. Show it
Tinapon ko na.
to your classmates. Ay, that's why I pulled it eh. Oh, it's there. Wait, show it here. Oh. So we have a memory. Oh, oh, tell to your classmate. Guys, don't put it some hot water.
Wow, magkano yan?
Ha?
Magkano?
50% lang.
Uy. O, magkano na?
Siya pumili niyan. Eh, saglit lang kami. Pagkakita niya, yan na yun.
Magkano to? 500?
Mandy, how much?